Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to collect money at Bubbles and Tea. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. Since last time, it's already been 20 days I haven't collected the token here. They have a new sign here. It looks pretty. And check out their Bubbles and Tea. Those are original Taiwanese bubbles and tea. And let's check out what do I have this time. Have Snoopy, Pokemon, Pikachu, Jujutsu Kaisen, Doraemon, more Pikachu, and Pigeon. Sea animals, and on this side we have pencil holder, Pikachu, sushi. Let's collect tokens. That's starting from this side. Okay, first one, Snoopy. Let's check it out. Let me find my keys. Oh, come on. It's stuck again. Okay. Ta-da! 4 tokens. It's not a lot, but it adds up. Let's check the second one. Alice. Whoa, a little bit better. I think it's 6 tokens. Okay, Mickey and Minnie. I think it's 8 tokens. Demon Slayer. Whoa, it sounds a little bit more. Yes, I think it's around 20 something tokens. Okay, next one, Doraemon. I think you guys don't know what is Doraemon, right? If you know Doraemon, please leave a comment below, because those are my childhood memories. Pikachu. Not bad, not bad. It's around 12 tokens. Next one, wobbly head Hello Kitty. It should be not bad. Okay, it's around 4 tokens again. Okay, Shiba Inu. Whoa, that's more than I expected. And the sea animals. This one is 1 token machine. My sale price 1 token is $3. And mostly every machine it takes 2 tokens per play. So that means 1 toy is around $6. Wow, nope. This one is not good, only 1 token. Okay, that's another 1 token machine. This one should be better, I believe. Let's check it out. Okay, not bad. Around like 7 tokens. Oh, last time there's someone leave the message to me and saying how do I set up for this machine when I have a convention going on. And to be honest, if you see the machine, the button there are all wheels. So my machine is really simple. I just rolls in and set it there. Then that's it. Nothing special. So when I rolls in, I bring some capsule toys in the box. So when I sells out, then I just restock it. And it's really simple, nothing special. I think the most difficult is how do I unload it from my vehicle, from my truck. So at the beginning we have to ask, do they have any like a loading dot to let us to load this machine. If they don't, then I have to ask them, is the row is like even. If uneven, I have to live up. Then I'm not doing that convention though. So mostly I choose the show is in the convention center or on the street, because on the street I think it's better, because you just drive your truck right over there and unload it there. It's way easier. And to the convention center, sometimes you have to roll it really far away. So be honestly, I prefer doing the outdoor event. But again, outdoor event sometimes the weather you don't know it's gonna be okay or not. So it's kind of like a risk. You have to decide which one you want to do. Okay, the funny cat. Let's check this one. This looks funny. Okay, 6 tokens. I think it's pretty balanced. Every machine it kind of like sells 6 tokens. So that's pretty balanced. And everything adds up. So I believe my sales for those 20-day collection is gonna be not bad. If you really think about to making extra income, I really suggest you guys can start those kind of vending machine business. You don't have to do the gachapon, but you need to do something high ticket. Yeah, just don't do like snacks or something. I believe if you don't have a good location, the profit is not gonna be good. And again, for my machine, I only come here to check around 3 weeks. If you're doing soda, snacks, bubblegum, the profit is not like that high, and also you have to restock really often. Sometimes you have to go there once a week. So I think the Japanese vending machine, this kind is a little bit better. Before we counting the token, let me show you how much money in the token machine. Let's check it out. I have a card reader too. Mostly it's in the car. Only a few people they use their cash to exchange the tokens. But check it out. Woohoo! That's all the cash. Not bad, right? For 20 days collections. There's some 5, some 10s in there. Alright, let's count how many tokens we collect this time. For 20 days, we total collected 341 tokens. And 1 token is $3. So our final amount is $1,023. If you try to find any side job, I believe those kind of vending machines still is really good option. Okay, that's all about it for this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. And if you have any vending machine business questions, please leave comment below or email me and let me know. I'll see you guys on next video. Bye bye.